Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we would like to share a wonderful and famous Chinese recipe, Kung Pao Sauce. It can be used to make Kung Pao Chicken. Let's start. Step 1. Make Kung Pao Sauce. Firstly, add 1½ tablespoons cooking oil, 1 teaspoon light sauce, 1/8 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon Chinese black vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon white pepper, 1/8 monosodium glutamate, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/2 cornstarch. Stir it and save for later. If you like sour or sweet taste, you can add additional sugar or vinegar into the sauce. Step 2. Cut chicken. In fact, most people use the chicken drumstick to do the Kung Pao chicken. For a healthier choice, we'll use chicken breast to do this recipe. It needs about 250 grams chicken breast for the recipe. Cutting the chicken breast to little bits of chicken. Step 3. Marinate chicken. Add 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1/8 tablespoon white pepper, 2 teaspoons cooking oil, 1/4 teaspoon dark soy sauce. Add 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 1/2 tablespoon corn oil, which can stop them from sticking together. Then mix up them with the chicken and make the chicken absorb the ingredients' flavor. After that, let the mixture lay down for 5 minutes. Step 4. Prepare crispy peanuts. Add 2 tablespoons corn oil into the pan. Pour 30 grams peanuts into the pan. Cook it at low heat. Keep it stirred until you have listened to the broken sound from the peanuts. If most of the peanuts have broken, that means the peanuts cooking enough. Drain oil and save for later. Step 5. Prepare other ingredients. 10 grams ginger, finely minced and save for later. 1 small or medium garlic clove, finely minced and save for later. 1 bunch green onion, finely minced and save for later. 5 egg dried red pepper, finely minced and save for later. Some green prickly ash, put in the bowl and save for later. Step 6. Use Kung Pao sauce to cook Kung Pao chicken. Add 200 ml, about 20 tablespoons corn oil into the pan. It depends on your pan size. Just check that the oil can immerse the chicken. Heat the pan with hot enough. We provide a method to help you to judge the temperature. Put 1 piece green onion into the pan. If it fries quickly, that means the pan hot enough. Turn the fire at lower heat. Pour the chicken into the pan and cook it at least 30 seconds until medium well done. Drain oil and save for later. Pour 2 tablespoons oil, which from cooks the chicken before. Heat the pan to hot enough. Add dried red peppers, green prickly ash to cook. The dried red pepper must be cooked at least brown. After a few times stir fry, add minced ginger and minced garlic before. Stir in the ingredients that become to have a great smell. Add the chicken. Use the high temperature to fry them a few times to make the chicken absorb the flavor of pepper, ginger, garlic. Then add the sauce we have mixed up before. Continue to stir fry to to ensure that they are mixed enough. Adding crispy peanuts and minced green onion. Half teaspoon oil. Stir a few times and then the Kung Pao chicken have it done. Just enjoy it. Thanks for watching. If you have any problem, please let me know. If you don't subscribe as before, just subscribe.